Hi, today we are going to learn 5 new words related to plants. Let's see each one in detail. Pruning means cutting or trimming. Pruning is the process of cutting or trimming branches or other parts of a plant to improve its growth and health. For example, I am pruning the dry branches to help the plant grow better. Here, pruning means cutting or trimming unwanted branches to help the plant grow better. Number two, mulching means soil covering. Mulching is the covering of the soil surface around a plant with dry leaves, wood chips, or other materials. For example, I am mulching around my plant. Here, mulching means layering materials over the soil around a plant to protect it. Number three, fertilizing means adding nutrients. Fertilizing is adding essential nutrients to the soil to help plants grow better. For example, I am fertilizing the plant to help it grow better. Here, fertilizing means adding nutrients to the soil to help plants grow better. Number four, grafting means plant joining. Grafting is a method of joining two plants so they grow together as one plant. For example, I grafted two cacti to grow as one plant. Here, grafting means joining parts of two plants so they grow as one plant. Number 5, scarifying means scratching or cracking. Lightly cracking or breaking the outer layer of a seed to help it grow. For example, I am scarifying the seed to help them grow faster. Here, scarifying means slightly breaking the seed coat to help it grow.